Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, Iconic Career Mentor, and today I'm going to talk about how you can discover your ideal or best fit career and get that career clarity. There are three major influences of career decisions. Number one, opinion of people, be it your friends, family, colleagues, peers, relatives, etc. Number two, material needs like salary, income, convenience, etc., which are driven by your desire to maintain a certain standard of living. And number three, personal factors, that is alignment with your values, your interests, your strengths, your personality, and your aspirations. If you make career decisions or choices based primarily on opinion of people or material needs, then you're taking what I call an outside in approach. I've observed that with this outside in approach, you are less likely to find your ideal or best fit career. On the other hand, if you make career decisions or choices based on alignment with your personal factors like alignment with your values, your interests, your strengths, your personality, and your aspirations, and give less importance to opinion of people or material needs without ignoring them, then you're taking what I call an inside out approach. I've observed that with an inside out approach, you're much more likely to discover your ideal or best fit career. So, to conclude, I want to say that in order to discover your ideal or best fit career and get career clarity, you need to take the inside out approach. I hope you find this career insight valuable. I'll be sharing many more such insights in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Bye.